Okay, so not sure what the audio is like. This is the microwave. The microphone is underneath my neck. So we're down in Bray. We're going to go for a little stroll. Let's check out some gaffs like this. That looks like a very nice gaff. And now we're just going to stroll around and see what we can do. Haven't done many walking videos, as you've seen. Like, they've been all just bike videos. It's a nice sunny bright day. So yeah, just gonna stroll around, get a little bit lost. So only at this time I'm away still. It's gonna be a long one, and hopefully by now I've posted at least 1 or 2 videos of my trip. The first 3 weeks are kind of gonna be hectic, getting used to the schedules and trying to find decent internet and all that. I'll be using my laptop instead of my PC, which is a slower processor as well, so won't be able to handle the 4K as much, and I want to keep it in 4K as the 1080s didn't really look that good. So yeah, nice little bungalows on one side and then nice big terraced houses on the other side. And it's noon, so it's fairly hot actually. Feels like about 26 degrees, 24, 25. Maybe I'm off, because you know me and my skin, very fair. So I found parking where it's free. The only problem is everyone comes to Bray on a sunny day, so we're going to start seeing a lot of people around, and traffic is going to be a nightmare. So as you know, with people, I kind of keep my mouth shut. Very shy. I don't want to be called out. Yeah, where are you going, laddie? Stand here in the shade. Wait for a chance to cross the road. Food smells good. I was thinking of walking around with, like, you know, phone in my hand. So I look like I'd be naturally speaking, but don't know, I think that would probably draw more attention to myself. Let's see what we can do. Just walking around, going around in weird angles. A lot of people seem to be going this way. Maybe it's straight to the beach. I don't know. I think I need to start slowing down my walk. People have to be quiet. Everybody's walking this way for some reason, and I thought I'd follow it. Could be leading me to a killing fields for all I know.
Oh yeah, should have gone right.
Oh, I have to remember my settings on manual for bright sky if I'm going into it, inside. And there's the dirt. Start there. So it's noon on a Sunday, so lots of people here so far.